Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and last Pygame I showed you how to handle up key. Well, there was a slight discrepancy, and I kind of did it on purpose to see if anybody would catch it, and now I want to give it as a challenge. So alright, right here we have this, and let me make sure everybody can see it. So I do this and I go over, but when I let go of one key, it stops everything. Well, that's not the functionality. What happens if the user wants it to continue going to the side or going down? So let's close this and let me just show you what I mean to have happen. And I'm not showing you this on purpose because I want you to try to figure it out first. Because if we think about it, everything that we know, we can do this. So, alright, we just have to put our thinking caps on. So, okay, this is what I'm talking about. Let's put this over here. Let's put it in the middle. So, alright, so down, over. Did you see that? So down, over, and I'm letting go, and it's still, so I'm removing one key while still holding down the other key, and it is still moving. So I want you guys to think of how we can do this, and I'd like to see some comments on it, because this is the better functionality, and this is what a user would want. They would want to be able to go around and cycle through, and not, if I let go of one key, stop the whole motion. So alright, I want everybody to think about this. You can do this. Again, if I can do it, anybody can. I promise. Think about, we've touched on everything. I'll give you a hint to keep the code clean and clear. You're going to have multi-conditions, and you can also, to keep it concise, you can use an or keyword. That would be very handy. So alright, next time I'll post the code on how to do it, but I want you to try to think about it, where you can move in more than one direction, and then take the key up and have it stop. So alright, real quick video. You can do it. Try it. Think about it. Solve it. And we'll talk about it next time. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.